Before diving into the Copilot, let's talk about the Cohort Builder in the GC portal so you understand what the Copilot is complementing. You're looking at a Cohort Builder right now, and this is where users would go to build cohorts of interest for further analysis. On the left side, you have access to about 10 categories of the most popular filters, and custom filters, you get access to about 550 more. This brings it to a total of about 700. Let me run you through a quick example of how a user might build a cohort of lung adenocarcinoma patients who have never smoked. In primary site, I'm going to select bronchus and lung. Note that a user might prefer use tissue or organ of origin if they want to be much more specific. Under disease type, I'll pick adenomas and adenocarcinomas. Again, a user might prefer to pick primary diagnosis if they want to drill down into the subgroups of adenocarcinomas. For non-smokers, I'm going to go to exposure and select lifelong non-smoker. Now, what we think might be easier for a user, especially a new one, is to be able to tell us the cohort they're interested in natural language, which brings me to the cohort copilot that you'll see next. You're looking at a cohort copilot. At the top left, I'm going to paste in my query, lung adenocarcinoma patients who have never smoked. While it's generating, I will run you over the interface. At the bottom, you see a layout similar to a cohort builder with categories on the left and cards on the right for selecting or deselecting various values. At the top right, you'll see the number of cases in your cohort and it'll update when the processing's done, which it just has. I'm mousing over the cohort filter JSON section. At the GDC, cohorts can be defined in JSON format. And if you copy this out as an experienced user, you can use it with any of our APIs to retrieve more information about your cohort. As you can see, the cohort Copilot has chosen bronchus and lung for primary site, exactly like I did. It has also chosen lifelong non-smoker, like I did. And moving down, it has chosen adenomas and adenocarcinomas for disease type. If I wish, I can further modify this cohort by selecting or deselecting the filters. And then when I'm happy with my work, I can click on the Export to GDC button on the upper right to use this cohort with any number of our analysis tools in the portal.